Well, right now I'm standing here at Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso, where the 28th edition of Zonal Karbi Youth Festival is being organized by Diphu-Manja Karbi Cultural Society Zone here on Sunday. And due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the festival is now being restrained. And also we have been told by the organizer is that only the single participants competitions is being organized here. And as far as the festival is concerned, it is organized every year during the month of October, and in fact Taralangso, the place where the Karbi Youth Festival is organized every year in the month of January. As far as the Karbi Youth Festival is concerned, it's truly a community festival which evolved from a popular movement for the cultural renaissance in the year of 1960. So the likes of demanding of autonomous state, romance scripts, and wearing traditional attires to schools and colleges, these were dominated in the agenda in the 1960s. So at that particular time, the state of Assam responded brutally to the people of Karbi Anglong by suppressing peaceful rallies and arresting the Karbi leaders at random. So in one such detention, the idea of Karbi Youth Festival was born inside the four walls of Diphu jail. This is the Karbi Youth Festival, but for the moment it is the Zonal Karbi Youth Festival. So now, why the Zonal Karbi Youth Festival is being organized every year? Many people have been stating in the social media, not only in the social media, in different platforms also, that Zonal Festival is being organized during the Durga Puja, and many people says that Zonal Festival is being organized during the Durga Puja just to not to let the people of Karbi to involve in the Durga Puja. But this is not true. But the fact of the matter is that the Zonal Karbi Youth Festival is organized to strengthen the Karbi culture. So this is the fact that every people, as well as the many dignitaries, as well as the cultural activists, have been stating that Zonal Karbi Youth Festival is organized not to destroy others' community as well as the others' as festival, but it is to strengthen the Karbi culture. And as far as the Zonal Festival is organizing in a different places concerned, that not only here in Karbi Anglong, but it is also organized in a different places as well. But right now is Taralangso, the Karbi People's Hall Taralangso, which is more than 2 or 3 kilometers away from the headquarters of Karbi Anglong Diphu itself. And as you can see behind me, this is the place, and many of the peoples have been now engaging and participating in this particular Zonal Karbi Youth Festival. But it is very unfortunate that due to the pandemic, now the people coming here is quite not so much people are now engaging. But what I can tell you right now is that the 28th edition of Zonal Karbi Youth Festival is being organized here by Diphu-Manja Karbi Cultural Society Zone. And for the moment, in this Sing Mirjeng stage, in fact here in Karbi People's Hall Taralangso, there are 4 stages, and where different events is organized. And for the moment, here you're watching in Sing Mirjeng stage, the Oso Kapadok Alun. This competitions is being now going on. In fact, the Oso Kapadok Alun is a lullaby that consists of 3 segments, which Dua, A, Aladung, Aladung, and Kurdi Dialun. So there are a lot of cultural events is now going on, but we have been told by the organizers is that no competitions which related to groups events is not being able to organize due to the pandemic. But what we can tell you right now is the Zonal Festival, the 28th edition of Zonal Festival, is being organized across the district.
นิสามีปานิมโซและงอมจงเสียงกันเวทรกสีอาตาลาNipi karbi Allah Wan hero abolo Nisang sang ke lang ne Bo thoi pi fen ing lo Ha Puan bai ke lang ne Tang ni sang ko jet ong Nisami me tang rong Sang ka rong si thul phong Puan ke lang ne abolo La ne pi so So patila ni alo tangjar kamu kang bang isok adilu lang me o nisami panim so langon jong sing on kwe proxy atala Lapu nampi ang bong Nilheray si logbong Hapu ting me tang song Mano ajor kardong Ha Lapu lang sun lila Apun si thurmon Oni ne jab ne phang Ne chu sang phong thur phong Sang lo jet ne sang ne karong Jipu thek thek Sing karong tuan kilong me amolong me pilong di karbi ang long Ding dong long don lang roy lang son thek long te sing tur phong thek long so saro mano an panja lang me o nisami panin so nang jong sing kan ve trok si adala Jeng lang tuan ke lang me abolo
Ingdeng ko ranar kep kar beri solim solong aje kita paman pon along nang litum Diphu-Manja in pen ko pisi ning jeng
nilitum kaning ji po bangkel hanlo nilitum aprang ko mat halo pini ko an ma arong aje ki piun mi olo puji pudam de thu e phisame lason anabang se talon pon idet bon pusi matha athema Pirthia dang pilong la COVID-19 na joini pen nila sorong aji ka katalon ponji polong sedame law and order penta permission ave lapente KCS central committee hin besame nang tum la anar ni do vek nahi ni thom do nahi ni pli do nahi pobang nang pingkha he athema la Pirthia dang long avura ki so joini pen sedame nilidum ningji parong lo karbi atum sedame emi thanga jutang jubat do lengpu anu tin sedame anik ji khang idasi Kithi kiring chip here pin benseminang barlo lasi pinian sidame thangnat akisu ngaki boy be pin pensami laso nang ki paman he ka bangke niltum ningarong pik pusi nilhin ben matha athe karbi tum bang ami thanga jutang jubara bang non puta jitini ni chinghon bom lang pu bangke klang da bangke lasi pudam tum
pinang an kacipatia son bangke pawitet lo pinang an bang kacipatia son mako ong dulo ko pipi kacipatia si non bangke padu pon adjustment tong gila COVID-19 na job pinang an bang pawitet ko bisi padu pon non bang
la bangke ahok lo tema nilum ronga ji chipate pusame la law and order tumhan alam se mi kroikridat pu bangsa pinchong no deklo lasi pinangana bangke niltum ki hang up hai pusame aningan bang thom kep bang plep kep ki hang long da pininge bang kep si hang lo la pen ka chipate son long same la bangke jong jung kop son lo sam ลุนซัมปุงละเป็นแต่อินุดนุดปูจิปฏิเวทจิมก็สุกปัดดอกละเป็นบอร์เอดาลุนบัดฮาลิกิอัพเก่งดงดังกิกัดหลังเทกังฮอร์เป็นกัดละส่วนปูสลาจงก็จิปฏิพันธ์บางสิ่งนี้loก็ส่วนloละปูกรุ๊ปแดนซ์ฮะกรุ๊ปซองปูยัดแบงลุนสิตูละให้แบงก์นิลุมปัดดูปนอิเดลlo
ตั้งแต่ปีนี้นางลิตุมละบางโซอารองอาจีปีนึงวีอันตัดตัวจิมาเทโลนอร์เดอร์เป็นแต่เป็นอันกับสิกษาส่วนตัวกองlo sihนางลิตุมปีนึงวีอันตัดปัดตัวอิมามาเตเป็นอันตัดปัดตัว
นิลุมแบงก์movements demi kaningia son lo and order phanda crocredit de chok chela si pinung ya bang lun kan malin bang padu pon pedet po un pulutin niltum arning yang sambaji pho un pulutin la ana por bang sikang ton kok je phan si bor ilo si tame la ka bor i ben along kichun chela bang puthe khedal lo asap o pap hit chat abang ke donang kok ta haji si tame lun kan malin po bang ke niltum padu pon det lo athima dia choji pudama bang ke niltum to dabang bong sila akapre terang tu mesti bang lo kidame bang asap pader pacet aja ini pen apora ting pon dia tang dia apotema lasi asap o dia chat bang ke do pon kok ta haji
kadok we kat news channel long kelang atum han sitame jutang jupat kaching hona kardom pajere lo kardom elitum pineng pudet delo nelitum kaike tami jutang song pen kemang abang ke owe kimi tum han jasemet pet ke panong lor ateng lo nathema owe kimi tum labang so jutang jubat along kaching hondo pu wai phet setami hong klam long bang nang chonun de lasi jutang jubat asong pen la patir pi saning kan mang tami youth festival pen la jonel kar youth festival setami bibom lo lasi holaso ki bi bang ke lapu ilitum ta sai chipamam pen le ki bi lapu kali anoten aning hang he bon setami jutang jubat bang jasemet pet ke nono wiki mi tumang ki remdon jumpik la sojo ni si rongaje setami bibom lo la si nili nanglitum news channel ahin pen la so atru pen nili kechoning riji la bangke nang barek non o wiki mi itu jasemet pet ke la ake hello ke charlie tum positami alang litum ta apor pen ke hem chewang long do la si la so ke chewang apor hot setami la KCS lo jutang song long setami nang litum arpu deng tu non la lopulote litum ili owe kimitum akimang setami ilitum pacun don thekpo la si kaduk kawita hong nang bar ikno nonapor
pini labang so indeng ko na kep karbi sunim sulong anji kepaman pon along nang litum mahin pen pisning jeng
Frangsi nilitum la 2020 ningkan uphan COVID-19 akiso dokok pen apis tame nilitum ethang a culture tang jubat reng verni engchu verni ini alo chibi thip ni chinghon thip ni pu akemang pen nilitum KCS Karbi Culture Society aso tripi ahin pen angepin khat ateng pen nilitum Diphu-Manja Jones tame arni sivias tame bipon angji pulaso ateng pen siniltum pini laso program bang bipon iglo lasi laso long niltum dak bangke nili central committee observer office tame dax tame nili daka si Diphu sido kok masila Diphu zonal committee tum sta finance tang pe kondok lo lasi laso teng pu alangli biren rong far alangli tame reception na president lo apo kangbra rong pi alang leta secretary lo finance apen long krang terang alang listame ladak reception na secretary lo apen nili komol sing timung listame finance secretary lo pasong bong pen niltum pinangan akirung akirek abang long pon lo stame kisman adhe kadim long bang do ta dolo kom hek ta dolo stame labang ke nutum ningoi dam thaivelo lasi kadok kabe fans stame Corolo nilitum han la jutang kacing hon amen panang cerap dun atum an panstame nilitum Diphu-Manja Jones bate Karbi Culture Society hin pen nilitum pining la 2020 aningkan Diphu-Manja Jones reception committee hin pen ang litum han corolo sawang cerap on to apen dorde fufe dokokna pu nili finance hin pestame nilita 80,000 above paisa nilhin pestame pidun lo apen la non nilir jir po tuman ta ami thang pestame alang listum stame duans tame cerap chetu dun lo
Te nang li non observer sinang li pan dak nang li panam te iklo kasi non mat nang li dak Diphu-Manja hawar long nang li ko PC ko observe long mat ko PC non mat ke thek long bom tang te lang sami non ke do bom an nili non mat ke thek long bang ke aning kan wang son ke kalidal hai la ke li tum ka do beta thek long prong lo kon ma unit ke wang ji penta wang unit ason ta do la ke ini ke thom কারণ হয় সি ব্যাংকে কোভিড-19 লো সি ব্যাংকে এলিতুম কার্বি কালচার সোসাইটি বাতে মেথাঙ্গা জুতাং জুবা দফান অধেক মানে বাংফান কে সরসা পলাম কালি অধেক তুম হাদি মেথাং লো পুচমা থা হিপথে তুম দাদু হালা সোচমা থা হিপথে তুম ব্যাংকে নাং কাচরা পাচি তুদুম তা কম হেক তিতি লাসে নিলি ini la so mai long pen isi rat tum hanstame isi chunri pon kangtung là kado ka ve ke the ke ding pen danglok rong kado ka ve jur pojur pen danglok itum culture bangke anso sesi cerap citu dun bom si ki meji mapu la pen nilitum pini la dak kar jablong prong bangke akaprek kalilo nilitum han iltuma CM tulan mahang sar same nang cerap citu dun thetan la pen mohon diso same nilitum han cerap citu dun thetan la so pen ajok si nilitum pini dak star jablong klong lo Taralangso ke paman pon along nami tum ke claim ke dam non ko anang ding situ bom no la pen son along sabsang thani ki
aprang si nili Diphu-Manja jung long decision committee absijana hin pen kar bang long don jutang ka ching honarat nu han aprang si nili kardom pajireng la kardom nili pening la so ning kan long la COVID-19 ben ajok pathek ben wa phis tame ani siang ding sin tum dak sai ding konik chat wa phit an tum kirung kirek ban chenglok kismana dim long kirap kachuhang ban chenglok mithang a chutang pun ka ching hon dun pen amana peng nei pidun pen anut tin ICC pen ang garap dun pen si pinyani lo sa mai long pachun lo penon present do bom la stame nilihin presiden hin ben jela som sin ni ngiang tung ba chunir yang tung piring chot la kali an kanwang tala son ating sil tum long wang nang ji ben akol anu se ningak long ben ningang sam ben jakong orang nang pidini man sinili hin ben puthot chuniri chinglo lasi non do ba son na thak simo ki wang ji next generation sun tame la son na thak kirap akachitu nang pidun pen anu se ali ra chan ki pon long je ban si chuniri lo lasi nilihin pen decision committee absijan hin ben ke anutin jutang ka chinghon mate jitang paring nei pokama tha bang po bang pe tum hanan anutin mate hirjume hang pisi lason anu se jakong horang kachira pachito pen pachun pon bom bo se ning kelo kasi pining ani kan indoing corona cap tarbi risonum so rong aje long elitum ke pachun pon nang ji ba ke pachun pon ji lang do na non sayang deng achitim sidola kasi non ke wang ji non ke ipit ke puthot ke papling dagi phara na mang ke litum anutin atir kam hin ben ke bang tuman same sayang deng ke pachun pon pasi chini la lalmela kadong
nang li konchun bang hin pen mate reception committee lang konchun bang hin pen nang li peace ni geng tu
nili ningje gang tung bang ke asu penengang abang ke nili tum reception committee hin bang ke la Diphu-Manja jun phan un an ke la so along kang ke pachun ji phan bang ni tum reception committee hin ban ta un an ke ni tum ta bori pon lo bori pon ajani sin tum sik dang pamisi la penang ke cerap dung ke tu an bhasa ni nili tum hin pen ke kurbang thu pajir lo la pen ke i kardom pajir lo la pen ke non an bang ke nili tum ta sik dang elo pot la si asap so kama thanang bang ke kom chalo la sinon bang ke la junior community tum bang ke claim ke dam deng am chalun li tum la reception bida sik dang pe lo la ke asayang deng bang ke choklo ma si di wa chama thadam lo